Dear students, today we are going to discuss about 8th GK, the chapter 48. This is an Indian constitution. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the country. It is the final court of appeal. It came into being in 1950. It is a guardian of a constitution. It is headed by the Chief Justice of India. The Supreme Court is located in New Delhi. The next, the High Court. High Court is a group of states or a union territory or group of union territories. It handled appeals from lower courts and right petitions. It is headed by a Chief Justice. There are totally 25 High Court in India. The Calcutta High Court is the oldest High Court in the country. Each district or a group of district has a district court. It administers justice at the district level. It is under the administrative control of a High Court and headed by a judge. Another one, Family Court. Family Court here cases relating to family disputes. Next one, identify the person. The first woman judge of a Supreme Court of India. The answer is Fatima Bibi. The second one is a renowned Supreme Court judge who famously upheld the fundamental rights of citizens during the emergency. Hans Raj Khanna. The third one is a well-known jurist and economist known for his budget speeches. Nana Palkhiwala. The fourth one is an eminent Supreme Court judge who reformed the criminal justice system and was denying of civil liberties. The answer is V.R. Krishna Iyer. The next one, identify the achievers. The first one is, he is a famous chef who has hosted television cookery shows and written several popular cookery books. The answer is Sanjeev Kapoor. Second one is, she is accomplished sitar player, has performed before audience worldwide. The answer is Anushka Shankar. The third one is, he was a governor of Reserve Bank of India, was a youngest chief economist at the International Monetary Fund. Answer is Raghuraman Rajan. Fourth one is, he is a journalist and a popular news anchor. Arop Goswami. The next one is, she is a television and film producer who has achieved great success in her field. Ekta Kapoor. The next one, her NGO Anaska Foundation works for underprivileged children through projects such as Teach for India, Sahin Mystery. The next one, a renowned environmental activist. She is also the director of Center for Science and Environment, Sunita Narain. The next one, she is a famous playback singer and the youngest to win 4 National Film Awards? Answer is Shreya Ghoshal. The next one is most successful person, young entrepreneurs. The first one is he founded Oyo Room, a network of budget hotels and accommodation of options of India. The answer is Ritesh Agarwal. The second one is his mobile wallet app Paytm is one of the most widely used mobile wallet in India. The answer is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Third one is he co-founded Olo Cab, an online transportation network company. Answer is Bhavish Agarwal. The fourth one is she tells stories of successful entrepreneurs through her online platform Your Story. The answer is Sharda Sharma. The fifth one is he co-founded Joho, a startup which makes a cloud-based business software. Answer is Siddhar Vembu. Sixth one, he co-founded the successful e-commerce platform Flipkart. The answer is Benny Bansal. The seventh one, a popular smartphone app Byju's, the learning app, has taken his online touring firm to global level. The answer is Baidu Ravindran. The next one, eighth one, his digital venture Droom is the largest online marketplace to buy and sell automobile in India. Sandeep Agarwal is the correct answer. Next one, his online platform Quikr enables user to buy or sell goods and services from each other. Pranay Chulat. Ninth one. The next one. 10th one. He is a co-founder of Swiggy on online ordering delivery foods services. Sri Harsha Mejaiti is a famous. The next one is classical dances. Identify some classical dances are given in India. First, identify the person. The first one is Sonal Mansingh. He is a famous foreigner Odissi. Second one is Padma Subramaniam. She is famous for a Bharatanatyam. Next, Radha and Raja Reddy. Kuchipudi is famous for. Next, underline the correct answer. Traditionally, Kathakali was performed only by men. The next one, characteristic costume of Mohiniyattam dance consists of an off-white saree and with golden border. The next one is Kelucharan, Moha Patra and Sanguta Panigrahi were well-known Odissi dancers. The fourth one, the origin of Kathak can be traced to the Notamic storytellers of North India. Next one, the percussion instrument Bang is an integral part of a Manipuri dance. Sixth one, The Chatriya is a classical dance of Assam. Seventh one, Bharatanatyam is the oldest surviving dance form of India. Next one, the hand gestures in classical dance are called Kasta Mudras. Next topic is medical lingo, medical diagnosis. What are the instruments are used in a medical diagnosis? The first one, use of magnets and radio waves to create images of the body parts. The answer is magnetic resonance imaging. That means MRI. The second one is removal of cells or tissues for testing, mainly for cancer reduction. The answer is biopsy. The next one, third one, the X-rays imaging of blood vessel, particularly of the heart. Answer is angiography. Next, fourth one is inserting the optical instrument into an organ to view its interior. The answer is endoscopy. Next, uses of reflected light, high frequency sound waves to produce an image of an internal organs. Answer is sonography. The next one, recording and measuring the electrical activity of the heart. Answer is electrocardiography. Next one, producing cross-sectional images of body using X-rays and computers. The answer is computed tomography or CT or CAT scan. The next topic is some diseases are given, can identify the organ. Which part is affected? Body parts are affected. First one is pneumonia. It's affected by lungs. Meningitis, brain and spinal cord. Conjunctivitis, eyes. Gingivitis, gums. Gums mean tooth gums. Jaundice. Jaundice are affected by liver. Arthritis is affected by joints. Eczema is affected by skin. Goiter is affected by thyroid gland. Some medical terms. The next task is medical terms are given. The first one is the reaction of a body immune system to foreign substances. That means allergy. Second one is a device placed in the chest or abdomen to help control abnormal heart rhythms. That means pacemaker. Next one, third one, an artificial set of teeth that can be removed. Dentures. Next one, transplanting an organ from one person to another, replace a damaged or missing organ. Organ transplant. Next one, a substance that neutralizes the effect of poison. Antidote. Next one, clouding up of the lens of the eye. Cataract. Next one, salt solution used as a fluid replacement to treat or prevent dehydration. Answer is saline. Eighth one, severe bleeding due to the rupture of blood vessels inside the body. The answer is hemorrhage. The death of body tissue due to loss of blood supply. Gangrene. Next one, a sudden severe outbreak of disease, epidemic. Next one, the procedure of reviving someone from unconsciousness, resuscitation. Next one, presence of excessive acid in the stomach, acidity. The process of used to cleanse the blood when the kidneys are not functioning properly, dialysis. Describe a condition that is present at the time of birth, congenital. Next, thread-like material used to sew body tissues together, sutures. An artificial substitute or replacement for a part of the body, prosthesis. The next, poets, some poetic expressions. The first one is, he write poetry in Hindi and Urdu. He's a well filmmaker and well-known lyricist. Answer is Gulzar. The second one is, he's a figure of modern Kannada poetry. So, traditional folk themes and imaginary he marked. The answer is D.R. Bendre. The next one, he was a Bengali poet whose marks preached revolution against oppression, earning him nickname Repeal Poet. Ghazi Nazrul Islam. Next one, this famous poet from Uttar Pradesh was known for his collection of Hindi verses named Madhushala, Harivansh Raj Panchan. He is an Assamese poet whose works encompass a range of subjects including tribal life and folklore. Nilmani Phokan. The next one, he was a Tamil poet whose poems aroused patriotism among Indians during the freedom struggle. The answer is Subramania Bharati. Next one, this well-known Hindi poet was the first woman to become a fellow of the Sahitya Academy, Mahadevi Verma. Next one, a retired IAS officer, this Odia poet has received several awards including Sahitya Academy Award and Padma Bhushan. Ramakanta Rath. Okay students, thank you.